in the middle of the day when in winter it's warm here in Georgia.
Assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to